Good afternoon, dear students. So let's start international business class. Yesterday we have started with unit 4, right? So one topic is over. So we are moving on to the second topic today, that is information requirements for international marketing decision. See, who will make marketing decision? As you all know, the top management will be making the marketing decision. Now, when they are making the marketing decision, when it is national product, making decision is easy. But here we are talking about international marketing decision. So, they have to study the culture, nature, need, preference, so many things about the cross boundaries of the nation, that is international market. So, when they are taking the decision, let's see what is the information required for them for making the international marketing decision. Generally, there are three related information which is required for the top management. Coming to the first one, that is the information related to the competition. See, as you all know, competition is a very important term where a continuous background of the market has to be checked and some key areas which is information is needed related to some key areas, like who are the competitors, what is their relative market products, what is their share prices, and what is the price of their product, what is the image and brand reputation of their product in the market and our product in the market. So we have to get the information related to the competitors and what type of competition the company is facing in the market. So this is a very important first information related to the competitors and competition which has to be collected and submitted to the top management, which is very important for making the international marketing decisions. Now coming to the second one, the information which is related to the marketing mix. As you all know, the marketing mix elements are such as product, price, promotion and place. So, all these information has to be collected and the channels of distribution, the relative pricing, what type of advertising and promotion activities are conducted by the company, what is the quality perception in the market, what is the international and domestic logistic networks. So, it is not a limited term, it is a wide term which cannot be explained or which cannot be estimated by anyone. So, marketing mix is a information which is a wide spread information which has to be collected related to the product, price, promotion and place, and has to be given to the top management for making their decisions. The third important information is related to the product. See, a company will be producing a variety of product which is called as a product line, a group of related products that a company sells under a single brand image. We call it as a product line. Now, why it is required? Because an organization, it needs regarding the products or product lines to make the product related decisions. That is, what kind of product the customer is expecting, what type of product the company is supplying, and what are the industrial products and what are the consumer products, how many industrial buyers and consumers are there, whether the consumers are switching from one product to other product, what is the impact of cultural differences on the purchase and use of the product. So, all these information is required for the international marketing decision. So, these are the three important information which is required by the top management for international marketing decision. That is information related to competition, information related to marketing mix and information related to the product. Now, moving on to the next topic, marketing information system. All these days you would have studied about MIS. MIS is nothing but management information system. But this is a new term, that is marketing information system. Now let's see the meaning of marketing information system. See, the marketing information system can be defined as a process in which data from the market environment is collected systematically and comprehensively, evaluated in terms of its relevancy and accuracy, which is transformed to make it useful and usable by the managers, and conveniently stored and expeditiously transmitted to the managers. So, marketing information system is nothing but it is a process in which you are going to collect the information from the marketing environment, and the collected information you are going to evaluate it, and you are going to find out whether it is accurate or not, then whether it is relevant to the market. Once you find it, if it is relevant and accurate, then you are going to transform it to make it useful by the managers, and this information can also be stored for the future use of the managers. So, this is called as marketing information system. Now, coming to the next topic, international marketing information system. Just now you saw the marketing information system, right? Now, let's see the international marketing information system. These both marketing information system and international marketing information system, either of these two can be asked for 2 marks. Okay. Now, when I explain this international marketing information system, you should be able to differentiate between what is marketing information system and what is international marketing information system. So, first I will explain you the meaning of this international marketing system. It is nothing but international marketing involves the creation of an information system. So, you have to create the information system. So, in the system you are going to generate a software called information system software, which would be a part of the company's overall information system for international business. So, there you are going to store all the information which is required for the international business and store it, which can be used in the future also. When similar problems or similar decisions has to be taken in the company, the same can be taken and used by the future managers to take their decisions. So, here as the name is telling, international marketing information system is similar to marketing information system, but here you are going to collect the information related to the other countries' competitors, customers, their need, taste, preference, hobbies, what type of products they are expecting, what is the price they are going to pay, what is the standards of product they are expecting. So, all these related to the international boundaries you are going to collect and store it for the future purpose. Okay students, I hope all of you have understood whatever we have discussed in today's class. So today I have explained you about the information which is required for international marketing, then marketing information system and international marketing information system. So I hope all of you are writing down the notes. As usual, after the unit ends, again I will be sending the PDF of complete notes. Now, as I am sending only the headline points, you can note down that. Okay. Meet you all in the tomorrow's class.